To open your file, click on the Open button in the top left corner, then find your file and click on it. Press Open. It will open in your window. You can zoom in by clicking Ctrl+ on your keyboard, or to zoom out, Ctrl-. To begin color and value correcting the picture, start by going to the Layer menu up at the top, go to New Adjustment Layer and find Color Balance. Press OK on the pop-up. You can rename the layer if you want to. The menu will appear on the right side of the screen. You can adjust the different colors in the image by dragging the triangle left and right on the bar. You can also adjust from midtones to shadows and highlights to adjust the different portions or values of the picture. If you want to reset the layer so it can be like it's brand new, you can use the Reset button at the bottom of the Properties menu. Most of the time when making adjustments, you will only need to make small changes to some, probably not all, of the options. When you are happy with the color corrections, go back to the Layer menu at the top, New Adjustment Layer, and go to Levels. You can press OK on the pop-up. Again, you can rename it if you want to. Levels adjusts how light or dark the picture is. You can move the black, gray, or white triangle to make adjustments to the value of the picture. Just like with adjusting the color in the image, you only need to make small changes to correct the value of the image. When you are done with the Levels Adjustment layer, you can go back to the Layers menu, go to New Adjustment Layer and Curves. You can press OK or rename and then OK. The pop-up curves also adjusts how light or dark the image is. You do so by dragging that diagonal line. Each time you click on that diagonal line, it adds a new point. So you can add multiple points. In that bottom left corner of that diagonal line is where all the dark values are adjusted, and the top right part of the line is where all the lighter values are adjusted. And you just need to make small changes. You may need 1 point, you might need 2. You should not have more than a few points on this line. If you need to go back to a different adjustment layer, on the Layers menu in the bottom right corner, you can click on each of the adjustment layers that you've used so far to make corrections. To save the image, you're going to go to File, Save As, rename the image, press Save. To export the image, to save it as a JPEG to turn in, you'll go to File, Export, Export As. In that top right corner, you want to make sure that it says JPEG, and you can press Export. It saves it as the same file name as the PSD version that you did with the Save As option, and then you're going to upload both into your Google Drive and submit the JPEG to Schoology.